Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to pick a winner for the beanie giveaway right now in a little bit. There's just one thing I want to mention is that if you enter one of my contests, please be prepared. Like, check your messages on YouTube. How I contact you is through, the only way for me to contact you is to leave a comment on your comment. For the last giveaway, I'm having a hard time contacting the winner. So she has not responded, unfortunately, but I will keep trying. So I'm going to put a little, I guess, rule. As soon as I pick the winner, you have 72 hours to respond. If after 72 hours I have not heard from you, I'm going to have to pick a new winner. Okay, that's just how it's gonna have to be. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. But anyway, let's pick a winner, and this is for the beanies that I made, and I'm making some great projects, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm not looking now. Let me pick someone. Not looking. Who is this? Tammy Patton. Yay! Congratulations, you won. I will be contacting you, and you just won the beanies, so congratulations on that. Everyone else, I will be having a ton more giveaways, so please be on the lookout, and thank you so much.